Today I'm going to show you the best way to clean your dishwasher
with confidence.
The first thing we need to do is clean and remove our dishwasher filter. Let's pull this tray out. My filter is right here underneath the spinning arm. So I'm just going to pull that out. Here's my filter. You're either going to turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. For me, I turn mine clockwise and it comes right out. And as you can see, it's got some food particles and some gunk and some nasty stuff in there. This tray also comes out as well. See in there? It's pretty nasty. And so we need to clean this really well. Now what you want to do is just kind of spray away any of the loose gunk. Spray off those food crumbs. Kind of pull that off. See that? That's the nasty stuff you want to get off. And just kind of rinse it down the drain. Now what we want to do is let those soak in some warm soapy water. And just use some regular dish soap here, and we just give it a few squirts. We're going to let these soak for 10 to 20 minutes. While those are soaking, we want to give it a little bit of a touch up here. So we want to clean around our doors, see the mold and the grime there. So we're going to come around the entire door. Grab your favorite multi-purpose cleaner. This is just Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner. We're going to clean that stuff right there. Touch that up. But any multi-surface cleaner will do. You can use a vinegar Dawn dish soap mix DIY cleaner if you prefer. And then we're going to come in here and we're just going to give this a little wipe down right under here underneath where the tray and the filter were at. You also want to make sure you clean up underneath this lip right here where this door closes. As you can see, it closes and it just seals that lip off, and so this area right here doesn't get cleaned. Just take your cloth. You also want to make sure you wipe down your seals and this little white plastic piece right here. As you can see, the black mold is starting to form there, so we want to clean that with our multi-purpose cleaner as well. The next thing you want to do is to wash your dishwasher filter. So grab your little scrub mommy, dip it in your soapy water mixture, just kind of give your tray and your filter a little wipe down, and then we're going to rinse them and then we're going to reassemble them back into the dishwasher. The next thing we need to do is to run a cleaning cycle to clean the inside of the dishwasher. To do this, you can use some Cascade clean pods, or you can just clean your dishwasher with vinegar. Just place 1 cup of vinegar right here on the top rack and then run the dishwasher on its longest and hottest cycle. Now while that cycle is running, grab your cloth and start cleaning the exterior of the machine. Spray it down with your multi-purpose cleaner and just give it a good wipe down, removing any fingerprints on the button area and any dog slobber or anything that you find on the exterior of the machine. Once you're finished with that, grab you a dry microfiber cloth and give it a good buff. Obviously, if you have stainless steel, then you want to clean the exterior of the machine with your favorite stainless steel cleaner. Now, once your cleaning cycle is finished, you've got the exterior of the dishwasher clean, you want to give the machine one final quick detail on the inside. Grab your spinning arm, check the holes for any type of gunk that has been clogging them. Any gunk inside should be nice and loose at this point. Grab your little toothpick and poke through and clear out those holes. Then come through with your multi-purpose cleaner, give the machine just a quick wipe down, including this little coil right here. You don't have to wipe the whole thing out, just the areas that need a touch-up. And that is the best way to clean your dishwasher.